welcome to the Rev Fishing channel.
Today we will share information about around the sea world.
Let's explore the sea.
Yellowfin tuna. The yellowfin tuna, Tunus albicaris, is a species of tuna found in pelagic waters of tropical and subtropical oceans worldwide. Yellowfin is often marketed as I, from the Hawaiian I, a name also used there for the closely related big-eye tuna. The species name, albicaris, white meat, can also lead to confusion. In English, the albacore is a different species. While yellowfin is officially designated albacore in French and referred to as albacore by Portuguese fishermen. Description: The yellowfin tuna is among the larger tuna species, reaching weights over 180 kilograms. But is significantly smaller than the Atlantic and Pacific bluefin tunas, which can reach over 450 kilograms. And slightly smaller than the big-eye tuna and the southern bluefin tuna. The second dorsal fin and the anal fin, as well as the finlets, are bright yellow, giving this fish its common name. The second dorsal and anal fins can be very long in mature specimens, and giving the appearance of sickles or scimitars. The pectoral fins are also longer than the related bluefin tuna, but not as long as those of the albacore. The main body is a very dark metallic blue, changing to silver on the belly, which has about 20 vertical lines. Reported sizes in the literature have ranged as high as 2.4 meters in length and 200 kilograms in weight. The All-Tackle International Game Fish Association, IGFA, record for this species stands at 193.68 kilograms for a yellowfin caught in 2012 off Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. The fishermen received a prize of $1 million once the catch was confirmed by the IGFA. Habitat: Yellowfin tuna are epipelagic fish that inhabit the mixed surface layer of the ocean above the thermocline. Sonic tracking has found that although yellowfin tuna, unlike the related big-eye tuna, mostly range in the top 100 meters of the water column. Another study reported that depth tends to vary with time of day. 90% of their recorded depth values were shallower than 190 meters during the day. Although yellowfin tuna penetrate the thermocline relatively infrequently, they are capable of diving to considerable depths. An individual tagged in the Indian Ocean with an archival tag spent 85% of its time in depths shallower than 75 meters, but was recorded as having made 3 dives to 982 and 1,160 meters. The maximum dive depth measured in a second study was 1,592 meters. Behavior: Although mainly found in deep offshore waters, yellowfin tuna may approach shore when suitable conditions exist. Mid-ocean islands such as the Hawaiian archipelago, other island groups in the Western Pacific, Caribbean, and Maldives often harbor yellowfin feeding on the bait fish. These spots concentrate close to the shoreline. Yellowfin may venture well inshore of the continental shelf when water temperature and clarity are suitable and food is abundant. Yellowfin tuna often travel in schools with similarly sized companions. They sometimes school with other tuna species, and mixed schools of small yellowfin and skipjack tuna, in particular, are commonplace. They are often associated with various species of dolphins or porpoises, whales and whale sharks. while yellowfin is officially designated albacore in French and referred to as albacore by Portuguese fishermen. Hawaiian yellowfins associate with anchored fish aggregation devices and with certain sections of the 50-fathom curve. Diet and predation. Like all tunas, their body shape is particularly adapted for speed, enabling them to pursue and capture fast-moving bait fish such as flying fish, sauries, and mackerel. Schooling species such as myctophits or lanternfish and similar pelagic driftfish, anchovies, and sardines are frequently taken. Large yellowfins prey on smaller members of the tuna family such as frigate mackerel and skipjack tuna. In turn, young yellowfin are preyed by other pelagic hunters, larger tuna, seabirds, wahoo, shark, and billfish. Adults are threatened only by the largest and fastest hunters, such as toothed whales, particularly the false killer whale. Pelagic sharks such as the Mount great white, large Atlantic blue marlin and Pacific blue marlin, and black marlin. The main source of mortality, however, is industrial tuna fisheries. Yellowfins are able to escape most predators because of their speed, swimming at up to 20.8 meters per second. Unlike most fish, tuna are warm-blooded. Their unique cardiovascular system, warm body temperature, elevated metabolism, and well-developed lymphatic system are all involved in their ability to engage in both rapid bursts and long periods of swimming. When swimming rapidly, a tuna's fins retract into grooves to form a smooth aerodynamic surface and increase its speed, due to a biological hydraulic system involving the lymphatic system. The behavior of abruptly diving to deeper levels may be a tactic to escape predators. Evidence from trackers even includes a case in which a diving yellowfin tuna may have been swallowed at a depth of 326 meters. Sport fishing. Yellowfin tuna probably first came to the attention of sport fishermen when they appeared on the tuna grounds of Catalina Island. These tuna were of the same species caught by commercial fishermen in Japan and the Western Pacific, but the reason for their appearance was not known at the time. Today, yellowfin tuna are a major sport fish pursued by sport fishermen in many parts of the world. Yellowfin are also a popular game fish among anglers fishing from U.S. Gulf Coast ports, San Diego, and other ports of Southern California. Larger long-range boats in the San Diego fleet also fish in Mexican waters. Searching for yellowfin tuna in many of the grounds that the San Diego pole and line tuna clip is used to fish. The yellowfin tuna is also a highly prized catch in the offshore sport fisheries of South Africa, Australia, and New Zealand.
Thanks for watching this video.
Don't forget to like,
Comment,
share,
and subscribe this channel.
See you later!